Clearing allegation, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi claimed that late BJP leader Arun Jaitley threatened him over the opposition's pushback against the farm laws. Rahul Gandhi alleged that the government had sent Arun Jaitley to threaten him with action if he carried on the protest against the farm laws. More on this in our next report.
In his ongoing war against the BJP and the Election Commission, Rahul Gandhi seems to now be reviving ghosts from the past as well. The leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha has now dragged in memory of Arun Jaitley, claiming that the late BJP stalwart had threatened him over the opposition's pushback against farm laws at the behest of the BJP government. The LOP has further said that Jaitley warned him that he could land in jail if he continued to challenge power.
Arun Jaitley ji was sent to me to threaten me. And he said, you know, if you carry on down this path, opposing the government, fighting us on the farm laws, we will have to act against you. I looked at him and said, I don't think you know who you're talking to. Because we are Congress people. We're not cowards. We're not going to bend.
Rahul Gandhi's comments have drawn a sharp counter from Arun Jaitley's son. Rohan Jaitley has fact-checked Rahul, saying that the farm laws were introduced in 2020 after his father passed away in 2019.
जिस तौर तरीके से वो भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं, जिस तरीके से वो नेताओं के बारे में, चाहे वो आज हमारे साथ है या नहीं है, अक्रॉस पार्टी लाइंस बोलते हैं, इट्स डिमीनिंग. फार्म बिल किस साल में आया था? 2020 में, जून के महीने में के बाद प्रक्रिया शुरू हुई थी. अरुण जी का देहांत 2019 अगस्त के महीने में हुआ. संसद में बिल सितंबर 2020 में टेबल हुआ. 13 महीने के बाद. तो आपको कब मिले?
The BJP has also flagged the remark as fake news and has asked the Congress leader to stick to facts instead of coming up with lies and propaganda.
कृषि कानून 17 सितंबर 2020 और 20 सितंबर 2020 को ये लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में आए और मंजूर हुए. कितना झूठ बोलेंगे राहुल गांधी जी? जब बिल ही बाद में आए तो अरुण जी कब आए? उनकी मृत्यु हो चुकी थी. कब उनको धमकाने आए?
और उन्होंने कहा था कि मैं जब एक बार बोलूंगा तो संसद हिलेगी, याद है ना? तो धमकाना, हड़काना, लोगों को डराना, ये तो राहुल गांधी की फितरत है ना.